back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful 99J color unit from UNice Hair, but we are going to focus on the bald cap method. So first thing that I like to do is I like to slick my edges down with something that's moisturizing because we are going to use the black Got2b glue on top of this, but you want to go in with something moisturizing first because the black Got2b glue does have a drying alcohol in it, and that's what gives it the hold. That's what makes your hair stay super sleek because it literally sucks all of the moisture out to hold it in place, but that can also break your edges off. So you don't have to use the edge control. You can use something like castor oil or anything like that. You just want to put something moisturizing underneath this because we don't want to break our edges off. So once you do that, then you can go on top with the Got2b glue. I like the clear one. You can use the white one if you, or the yellow one if you prefer, but I like this one. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer and then just blow dry it dry.
I'll be yours if you let me hold you tight. But I don't.
So this next step is 100% not necessary, you guys, but I don't know about you guys, but my wigs always lift first on the ear tabs, and I have like peach fuzz growing where my sideburn areas are, and they always rip out. One, they hurt, and two, it leaves like a shiny patch because there's no fuzz right there, and it just looks crazy to me. So I'm going to go ahead and take this razor, and I'm going to go ahead and shave the sides down. I'm not going to shave like all of my little sideburn area down, just a little bit, mainly the peach fuzz part. And me and my best friend been trying to shave our like mustaches for a long time now, so if this grow back thin, then we might just do our faces on here for you guys. But yeah, so now I'm going in with this stocking. So I was actually out of stocking caps, so I just used the stocking and I cut one of the legs off, and you just want to go ahead and fit that down onto your face. And then I like to go in with the freeze spray. So a lot of people use the Got2b glue, but that takes forever to dry, and this one holds it in place perfectly fine. You just want to do your edges, and then you want to go back some. So you don't just want to focus on the front of the hairline. You want to go a little bit back onto your actual hair because you don't want it to roll back. And then once you have that in place, I like to cut my ears out. So you start from the bottom, and this will keep it from running if you start all the way from the bottom of your ear and then just kind of force your ear through. So you want to do this because you want to get the sideburns flattened out. You see, when my ear was inside of it, it was kind of floating right there, so the stocking cap wasn't going to completely be stuck to the side. We want this thing melted down. So you just cut your ear from the bottom and then squeeze your ear through and make sure it's nice and flat. That's what I'm doing right here, just adjusting it. And then you want to take your freeze spray and then just hit it a little bit and make sure you're pressing it down and rubbing it in. And then, because like I told you guys, the sides always lift or start lifting first, I just take a little bit of the clear Got2b glue and I just press that on top, only on the ear tabs. But when you put it on like the sideburn and ear tab area, you want to go back, like kind of curve over your ear, because you want that side to be melted down too. You don't want to give it any reason to lift. So you just put a little bit of the gel right there on the sides and then go back a little bit by the ear. You're going to see me do it.
But I don't know if you let me in, yeah. I know you had your heart broken one too many times, and now it's hard for you to open up. They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean. They have been.
Then you're just going to go ahead and dry it with your blow dryer. So the top part that you only use the freeze spray on is going to dry super duper quick. But you do want to take your time, and you want to make sure the ear tabs are 100% dry because, again, you did use the gel and that does take longer.
Disrespect how you feel, but baby, I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better than that.
So once it's dry, we're going to go ahead and take our scissors and free one ear and start removing the extra lace. So these are my favorite little scissors, you guys. I think I got them from Dollar Tree. Actually, they came in a little sewing kit, and they are perfect for doing like little things like this. So I'm going to go ahead and just trace away or trim away the part that's extra, and then I'm going to begin working on molding the cap to my actual hairline, like getting rid of all the extra that I don't need.
So baby, let me hold you, hold you. I want to show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I want to show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Let me show you what love is and why it's beautiful. Just put your body on top of
So I like to get my wigs as close to my natural hairline as possible just because it makes me more comfortable. So I'm going to go ahead and just peel back all of the excess that's not like it's too far away from my natural hairline. Like I'm not going to go completely on my natural hairline, but I'm going to go pretty close. And I'm just going to get the wig cap to shape and flow like my natural hairline does.
No shame, no, I die for you. They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean. They have been rude to you, disrespect how you feel. But baby, I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you, hold you. I wanna show you, show you, show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows, yeah.
So once we have the shape how we want it, going to go ahead and put the wig on and make sure it all fits underneath, because sometimes when you put the wig cap on, it still peeks from underneath the wig, like it's a little bit too far out and the wig won't cover it, so you have to peel it back. So right now I'm just going to make sure that it's all covered, and if it's not, I'm going to take the wig off and then peel back the parts that may have been peeking out of the wig.
Show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Treat you right, treat you right.
Now for the edges that are like rolled up a little bit that you can see that are white, I'm just going to take the free spray and just put it on this paper plate, and then I'm going to use the tip of my finger and have the blow dryer going the entire time, because you don't want it to roll, because as soon as this thing gets wet, it's going to start rolling up. So you just put a little bit of the free spray on your hand and just press it in while blow drying it at the same time to make sure that it doesn't move, and this will get it nice and flat, and you don't have to worry about it like receding back.
Treat you right. Yeah, I would never ever let you go. I would treat you right.
Now to get the wig cap a little closer to my skin tone, I'm going to take this Sally Hansen airbrush leg spray. And this is in, I believe, medium. So I like using this because it dries matte and it doesn't transfer. When I use foundation, whether it's powder or the liquid, sometimes it mixes with whatever I'm using as an adhesive, whether it's glue or gel, and it just makes it look nasty. But when I use this, it dries matte and it doesn't really mix with anything, and it's perfect. And I'm also going to take this and spray it underneath. Because this is a burgundy unit, I was scared to bleach the knots because I didn't want it to bleed onto the lace. So I just went ahead and used the same Sally Hansen spray and sprayed it underneath the wig, let it dry, and that's going to be like kind of my knot cover up. It didn't work too well. Like I should have did it a little bit more, but I end up using foundation powder at the end and it worked. But right now I'm just cleaning my hairline, and then I'm taking the Esha glue and the Esha primer. So I'm going to go ahead and put this scalp protector / primer on my hairline and then go in with the Esha glue.
Treat you right. Baby, I would always hold you close. So baby, let me hold you, hold you. I wanna show you, show you, show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right, treat you right.
So once the unit is nice and glued down, I'm just taking a little bit of alcohol on a Q-tip and cleaning up my hairline. And then I'm going to take my elastic band and use it to tie down my edges, you guys. So I could not find my entire row of like elastic, and so I had to sew 2 of them together and make this one. But it worked, and I use this to tie the hair down for a few minutes. And while I'm tying it down, I'm going to just begin styling and straightening it.
I'll be yours if you let me hold you tight. But I don't know if you let me in, yeah. I know you had your heart broken one too many times, and now it's hard for you to...
So I ended up doing my edges. These are not really baby hairs. They're more so edges to me. And then I'm going to add these cute little twists to the front and take a little rubber band and band them together in the back. But that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that little notification bell for me. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next one.
They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean. They have been rude to you, disrespect how you feel. But baby, I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you, hold you. I wanna show you, show you, show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Let me show you what love is and why it's beautiful. Just put your body on top of mine.